Good morning, students. Today we will continue the kingdom classification. Already we have completed about the kingdom Monera, useful and harmful bacteria, and today we will see about the kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista. The kingdom Protista includes eukaryotic organisms that cannot be classified as plants, animals, or fungi. Example, plants like clay midonas. You can see the diagram of clay midonas. It is having the chloroplast and that's why it can produce its own food. Animal like amoeba, which is having the irregular shape amoeba, and it's animal found in the water. And these are, and another example is euglena. And these all are Chlamydomonas, amoeba, euglena. These are also known as protozoans. They have the following characteristics. First is they are unicellular microorganisms. They are eukaryotic. That means their nucleus is well defined. Nucleus is well defined. Means the nuclear material is enclosed in nuclear membrane. They have all the components of a cell. Then we will see about the amoeba. You can see the amoeba, it's not having a proper shape. It is irregular in shape. Unicellular organism, well-defined nucleus, and it's having number of finger-like projection that is known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Pseudo means feet and podia means, pseudo means folds and podia means feet. And it consists of nucleus, cytoplasm, food vacuole, etc. Amoeba moves in the desired direction. To which direction it wants to move, its pseudopodia grows in that direction. And amoeba moves in desired direction. That means the pseudopodia of it grows in the desired direction. And if it wants to change the direction, this growth of the pseudopodia stop growing and the other pseudopodia projects out and moves in the desired direction. Suppose it wants to move in the opposite direction, the pseudopodia of this amoeba will grow this side and it will move in this direction. So this is known as amoeboid movement. Amoeboid movement. And next we will see about the respiration. Amoeba respire through cell membrane. This is cell membrane. And the oxygen dissolved in the water, it diffuse in the organism and it respire. Since the animal or these organisms lives in fresh water like lakes or pond, etc., the dissolved oxygen diffuse during the respiration through the cell membrane into the organism. Nutrition. Next is nutrition. Amoeba eats tiny plants or animals. which float in water. It ingests the food by encircling the food particle, maybe plants or animal. You can see the amoeba. Their pseudopodia grows around the food particle and encircle it and engulf the food particle and makes the food vacuum. Then excretion. It occurs by process of diffusion through the cell membrane and contractile vacuum. Carbon dioxide and ammonia are excreted by diffusion. Means the organism which produces the carbon dioxide and ammonia is diffused out through the cell membrane. Other waste material enter the contractile vacuum, which migrate and fuses with the cell membrane, then releases waste material in the surroundings. Next is reproduction. Reproduction occurs by asexually by binary fission and multiple fission. In binary fission, the amoeba grow and get mature and the nucleus divide. You can see the nucleus, it divide followed by the cytoplasmic division and forms the two daughter amoebae. And next is the multiple fission. This takes place during unfavorable condition. Amoeba creates or forms a cyst around it which protects the amoeba in unfavorable condition. Inside the cyst, the nucleus divide and redivide, forming the many nuclei. As it gets the favorable condition, this cyst get rupture and nuclei comes out in the water and develops into a new amoeba, many amoebae. Dear students, here I would like to conclude my lesson. Kindly read it and try to understand, learn. Thank you.